Massive fire broke out in the wholesale market in Khidirpur, Kolkata last night, gutting several shops and causing extensive damage. The blaze, which started around 1 a.m., spread rapidly due to the presence of flammable materials, including edible oil godowns. Over 20 fire tenders were deployed to control the flames, and firefighters worked through the night to bring the situation under control. While no casualties have been reported, officials are still monitoring the area for lingering pocket fires.